of two lines. Means what? If two lines are parallel, what is the relation between them? Let us check. Suppose this is x prime, y prime. This is a line, this is another line. These two are parallel to each other. Okay, what do you mean by they are parallel to each other? Angle between them is 0 degree, and this inclination, this is L1, you can consider this is L2. What is the inclination L1 with the x-axis is same that L2 with the x-axis. And this means this both the angles are same. Both the angles are same means inclination of L1 is equal to inclination of L2. Inclination of L1 is equal to inclination of L2. That means slope of L2 is equal to L1 is equal to slope of L2, because if the two lines are parallel, their inclination is same. As their inclination is same, the slope also, because slope is tangent of the inclinations. As inclination is same, tan theta also will be same for both. So if two lines are parallel, M1 is the slope of the first one, M2 is the slope of the second line. They both are also equal. And vice versa also you can say, if two line slopes are equal, then they are parallel. That's all. I hope I am clear. Now perpendicular lines. When two lines are perpendicular, how they are related, we will discuss now. Here is a L1 a line making an inclination theta 1 with the x-axis. That means its inclination is theta 1. Similarly, there is a line, another line that is L2, that is also making an inclination with x, that is theta 2. And these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Here, theta 1 is the inclination of L1, theta 2 is the inclination of L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Clear? From the figure you can see this is an exterior angle and this is a interior opposite angle of this triangle for this exterior angle, and this is also 90. I can write theta 2 is equal to 90 plus theta 1. May I? Okay. Now tan theta 2 is equal to tan 90 plus theta 1. Tan theta 2 is equal to take M2. This one will become a cot minus cot theta 1. Tan 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So M2 is equal to 1 by tan theta 1. That is I can write here M2 is equal to minus 1 by M1. So M1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. I hope I'm clear. Thank you. Just I'm recapping the whole thing. Here is L1, L2, two lines which are perpendicular and making inclinations theta 1, theta 2 respectively with the x-axis, perpendicular inclination. As you see from the diagram, the slope of the first line L1 is equal to m1 is equal to tan theta 1, m2 is equal to tan theta 2. From the figure you can see this is the external angle, these two are interopposite angles of this for this external angle. So I can write theta 2 is equal to 90 plus theta 1. Both sides I made tan theta 2 is equal to tan 90 plus theta 1. So tan theta 2 is equal to m2, tan 90 plus theta, there is a formula, maybe not in your syllabus, that is minus cot theta 1. Tan 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Tan minus cot theta 1, I can write m2 by 1 by theta 1, tan theta 1, tan theta 1 is equal to m1, so 1 by m1, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This is the relation between two lines when they are perpendicular. Their slope, product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. And if two lines are parallel, already we discussed, the slopes are equal.